Introducing the 10pc's Gold Squirt Syrup Pump, the perfect kitchen accessory for all your syrup dispensing needs. With its adjustable pump design, you can easily control the amount of syrup you dispense, minimizing waste and ensuring a perfect pour every time. This package includes 10 pumps, providing you with more than enough for your usage and replacement needs. Made from high-quality plastic material, these pumps are non-toxic, tasteless, and completely safe to use. They are also strong, airtight, and moisture-proof, guaranteeing long-lasting durability. Designed with versatility in mind, the syrup pump is not only suitable for coffee syrups such as honey water, chocolate, coconut, blueberry, almond mocha, and caramel, but it can also be used for 750 ml bottled body wash and shampoo. It's the ultimate tool for adding flavor to your favorite beverages or conveniently dispensing shower essentials. Measuring at a total length of approximately 15 inches, with a length that can be put into the bottle of about 11.6 inches, this syrup pump is compatible with most 750 ml pump bottles. The transparent tube can be easily trimmed to fit various bottle sizes, providing ease of installation. Using the syrup pump is a breeze. Simply press gently and watch as the syrup sprays out in controlled amounts. Once you're done, you can lock the pump to prevent any liquid from overflowing, keeping your kitchen tidy and mess-free. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before purchasing, please ensure compatibility with your destination's outlets and voltage. With over 373 ratings and an average customer review of 4.6, this 10pc's Gold Squirt Syrup Pump has become a favorite among kitchen enthusiasts. Its compact dimensions of 7.24 by 4.61 by 3.07 inches and lightweight item weight of 11.7 ounces make it a convenient addition to any kitchen or dining space. Don't miss out on this incredible tool that provides both convenience and versatility. Enhance your culinary creations and simplify your daily life with the 10pc's Gold Squirt Syrup Pump. Click the link in the description to get yours today.